Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Cardano. Our daily analysis on the price of ADA, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. December 2nd today, it's midnight here in North America. You guys can see we are seeing the month of December starting on such a positive note. We're seeing Bitcoin hitting yearly highs. As I spoke yesterday, as soon as it did turn December 1, I was saying, we could see Bitcoin pushing up to some levels, especially yearly highs, and that's exactly what we're seeing happening. The momentum is on the side of cryptocurrency space, and a lot of excitement, to say the least. But let's take a look at ADA, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. So if we're looking at the entire markets, like I said, a lot of green across the board. Main reason as to why this is the case is because BTC is pushing to yearly highs. As far as Cardano is concerned, we're seeing ADA up about 2% right now, approaching the 39 cents mark, and it's also up 0.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, around $13.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 223.3 million. So not bad. The 24-hour trading volume hasn't budged at all, which is really interesting to see. And honestly, it's quite strange. We usually tend to see volume dropping, but we haven't really seen the trading volume for Cardano for the last 2 weeks, I could say, been above this 220 million for about a week and a half. But let's take a look at what's exactly happening and what we could be expecting. And as you may know, I've said in my previous updates, I think December is the month where we finally see that massive breakout that we're waiting for. But we'll get into that. You guys can see the weekly development report. So the statistics to date, this kind of shows us where Cardano ecosystem really is, what's really happening. We can say this and that is happening, but when we see the numbers, it kind of gives us a better understanding. So you guys can see 150 projects has been launched, 1,304 projects building, 9.1 million native tokens, token policies 81,447. You guys get the idea as to what's going on, and 79.2 million transactions. ADA ecosystem is one of the ecosystems, in my opinion, that is being slept on right now. And as I've shared in the previous updates, I think as we go further, especially as we go into the new year, I think there's going to be a lot of eyes on ADA, especially when we see this breakout. What generally tends to happen is, when the price is not seeing these explosive moves, the interest level is quite low as far as majority of the people go. The people that actually understand Cardano, understand, these projects, these are the only people that are paying attention right now. But once the breakout happens, once the price starts moving, that's when the masses start showing interest. Look at Solana, for example, a perfect example for you guys. No one was paying attention to Solana's price when it was consolidating, when it was below its massive level of resistance. But guess what happened? As soon as the price popped off, we saw people looking into the ecosystem, everyone turning bullish all of a sudden, even though the overall ecosystem was making massive strides even before that breakout. And that's what I'm thinking is going to happen with Cardano in the very near future. But let's take a look at what's happening. Before I do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin did go up to $39,000 almost today. And again, speaks for itself. If you watch my ADA update yesterday, I mentioned that in that. And as a matter of fact, it came to be true. And again, not a surprise to me. The momentum is really strong. Of course, Q4, people are excited. Holiday season, people are just in a good mood. And, that can cause a lot of excitement for the space as well. And that's what's happening right now. But let's take a look at ADA. As far as Cardano is concerned, you guys can see, we're pretty much still, hanging below that huge level of resistance. And again, as I've said continuously, this is that resistance that everyone should be keeping their eyes on, which is at that 40 cents mark. Once we break out of here, and I think in the next few days to come, we will see this breakout finally happening. And once we actually turn this resistance into support, that's where excitement begins. We're going to see something what we have seen with the likes of Solana happen. I'm very, very confident about that. And of course, if we're looking at the bigger picture, let me give it a refresh live. This is what I want you guys to remind yourself, especially if you're holding ADA right now. If you look at the bigger picture, and you look at where the price is right now, it doesn't even seem like anything has happened. And I think that time is coming very, very close to an end. If I were to bring out the measuring tool for you guys, in order for us to completely, break out of this massive consolidation phase, that's still a move of about 76.4%. I don't expect FOMO coming in for ADA until we get into the 68.63 cents. But honestly, in the grand scheme of things, that is the main target that I'm aiming for right now for Cardano, where excitement level gets in. But of course, breaking out of this resistance will be historic, and actually staying above there would be great to see. And hopefully, before the year comes to an end, we do push towards a new yearly high, which of course will be really, really exciting to see. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.